Tomorrow is a crucial day for Neville Mutsvangwa, as the High Court is set to decide on his bail appeal. Neville, the son of prominent ZANU-PF politicians Christopher and Monica Mutsvangwa, has been behind bars for the past 3 weeks. He's facing serious charges, including illegal foreign currency dealings and the possession of an unlicensed Starlink router. After initially being denied bail by a lower court, his case was taken to the High Court, where it was reheard by Justice Rogers Manyangadzi just yesterday. The courtroom was intense, as both the state and the defense made their arguments, setting the stage for tomorrow's decision. Neville's lawyer, Josephine Sand, argued forcefully. She claimed that the prosecution's case was weak, primarily based on some Visa cards found at Neville's home. But here's the twist: owning Visa cards isn't a crime, nor does it directly link someone to illegal currency dealings or money laundering. The heart of the issue, however, as pointed out by the prosecution, is Neville's high-profile status and his strong connections. They fear he could easily leave the country, making him a significant flight risk. So what's next? If the bail is granted, it could mean a temporary relief for Mutsvangwa and his family. But if denied, it's back to jail, and the battle continues. This case not only highlights the complexities of legal battles, but also puts a spotlight on the broader issues of governance and justice in Zimbabwe. Stay tuned, because whatever the decision tomorrow, it will surely send ripples across the political and social landscape of the nation. I'll be right here to update you as the story unfolds.